TJ 2004. Today I'm gonna do a video of me doing a hack with a fidget toy. Woo! I'm gonna put these three together and try to like make it like a hula hoop and see if these gonna stay. Make these big and long. Okay. That's the other one. Okay. Now this one too. It kind of sounds funny. Okay, guys, I'm gonna put these together. Well, this will work. Okay, boom. Okay, now time for everything. Now put the tape on the connectors like this. If y'all think it's enough, just cut it with a scissor like this. And then if you like see it like this, you just put it down. And put the scissors down so you can do the video or not, you know, memories. And then gotta do it with the hook. Oh my God. I actually don't know how to do hula hoops, so that's why it's about hard. You can like gotta hold this, the tape and the connectors, and then you gotta like turn it around, and then when it's about to hit your feet, you have to like jump. And when you do it again, oh my gosh! But when you like, if you like messed up, you just like put it on your back and like turn it again, like front, and then jump, and then. This is how you do it faster. Okay, now I'm going to try to see how many I can do. 1, 2, oh my God, 2, 3, ooh, 4, 5, 6, oh my God, 7,